This video I am making for the management of Brightcom Group from my channel Super Investor on YouTube, so that everyone जो लॉस कर रहे हैं ब्राइटकॉम ग्रुप में उनका लॉस रुक जाए. दैट्स वाई आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो एंड दिस इज़ ओपन अपील टू द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ब्राइटकॉम ग्रुप दैट दे शुड take note of this video and come out with the actions which I am notifying in this video, जिसको देखकर आप कुछ एक्शन लेंगे तो इतना पैसा जो लॉस हो रहा है ब्राइटकॉम ग्रुप के इन्वेस्टर्स का, दैट कैन बी स्टॉप्ड. फ्रेंड्स, देर आर फ्यू एक्शंस और reactions which can stop the free fall of Brightcom Group share in the market, because a big panic is created in the market. And I hope this video reaches to the management of Brightcom Group, Mr. Suresh Reddy and his colleagues and directors. So I am uploading this video from the YouTube Super Investor channel. So I hope that you all guys share to every platform available, let it be WhatsApp group, Telegram group, or even you can tag Brightcom Group Twitter handler of this video, so they should listen to this video and come out and tell about the clarification of Brightcom Group action, because the more they will keep silence and mum, that will create more panic and doubt in the minds of the lakhs of investors. And Brightcom Group has already said that, always said that they are with the retail investors and they care for the retail investors. So this video, after seeing this video, I hope that Mr. Suresh Reddy will come out in open and give explanation to the market and investors of Brightcom Group, whatever is the truth, so that they can take their action accordingly, because we all investors are losing very badly, because we had a lot of faith on the management of Brightcom Group, and that's why we have invested heavily in the Brightcom Group share. So we hope that your explanation will help us and the market to understand what is going on. So please share this video as much as possible. Tag everywhere, wherever you can. If you can tag on the website of Brightcom Group, or even you can tag them in the Twitter or anywhere else, if their Facebook page, there also you can share this video so that it reaches to the management of Brightcom Group and they will take the immediate action which I am expecting from them in coming 2-3 days. Friends, there are 5-6 factors which can save the free falling of Brightcom Group in the share market. If promoters come out and take a press conference and give explanation about the forensic audit, and they can tell confidently कि nothing will go wrong, कुछ भी गलत नहीं निकलेगा forensic audit से. अगर ऐसा openly Brightcom Group का management कह देता है तो definitely that will help the share from falling further. और दे कैन टेल द अपडेट ऑफ द फॉरेंसिक ऑडिट कि कितने दिनों में ऑडिट हो जाएगा, एंड मे बी टाइम फ्रेम बाय 15th of March, मे बी 30th of March, मे बी 1 month, 2 month, वॉट एवर. एंड इफ़ दे से कि वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड नथिंग विल गो रॉन्ग, अगर उनका एक कॉन्फिडेंट स्टेटमेंट भी आ गया तो भी उनका हमारे लिए काफ़ी एक बड़ी बात हो जाएगी. सेकेंडली, दे शुड टेल द ट्रूथ that why the delay was done by the Brightcom Group. Maybe they thought that the answer was given to the SEBI and they were satisfied, and the SEBI gave another reminder. That's why they are doing the forensic audit, and their intention was not wrong to avoid the forensic audit. ऐसा कुछ statement Brightcom Group के तरफ से आना चाहिए फिर से, and their confidence, because if they will avoid the questions, the more panic will create in the market, and ultimately share will go in the very bad manner downwards. And there one more thing, if management buys from the market and if any data is shown in the, because जब management के तरफ से कुछ buying होता है, promoter group के तरफ से buying होता है, तो notification BSE NSE पे फिर आता है. And if the general public will come to know कि management is buying from the open market, then definitely that will help the free fall of the Brightcom Group share. Or they can announce the buyback scheme of Brightcom Group share. That will also create the confidence in the retail investors' mind. All these actions can definitely stop the free fall of the Brightcom Group share. So it is my humble request to the management of the Brightcom Group that please come out and please give your statement and clarification on the ongoing forensic audit, that it is going on and they are confident that nothing is wrong in the company and they'll come out clean. If they will not answer like this, definitely the share will fall more and more and more. So this is my open appeal and humble request to the management of Brightcom Group. So please come out and give some statement in the open, or call yourself on the Z Business or CNBC 18 somewhere and tell them that okay, you want to give interview, or you can call the press conference. ऐसा कुछ करके अगर आप कुछ clarification देंगे, and if you show your confidence to the people, definitely the free fall of the share will stop, because people are losing lot of money. And if you don't do so, so that intention will, the intention will be taken as the bad intention, or you are fearful of the audit. That kind of message is going in the public. तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए, because there are two things. If you are not coming out in the open and giving explanation, that means you are fearful, you are not confident. Or if you are planning that share is going down and you will buy at the lower rate, that will also give the wrong message to the investors, so that you cheated investors by this news and you let the share fall, and then you bought at the lower level. That will also tarnish image of Brightcom Group management. So in both the cases, ultimately retail investors will be at the loss, and the image of Brightcom Group will also get tarnished. So please, it is my humble request to Mr. Suresh Reddy and all the management that please come out in open and give explanation. And please friends, share this video as much as you can on all the channels, all WhatsApp group, or tag Brightcom Group on their website, Twitter handle, or Facebook page, wherever you can share this video, and let it reach to the management of Brightcom Group. I hope that positive action will come from the Brightcom Group management after seeing this video. Thank you friends, and all the best to all retail investors. Thank you.